So we've established all these different interpretations of coincidences and what coincidences is, what synchronicity is, and what are the variances, what are the variables, and what are the different interpretations. Now, what is the relationship between coincidences and synchronicities and the nature of reality? The nature of reality. Now, these are really deep, existentialistic, epistemological, and ontological questions. Existentialism studies existence. Epistemology deals with the knowledge of existence. So, and it's an ontological. So, coincidences and synchronicity in terms of, and remember, this discussion is about awareness, awakening, and enlightenment. But we have to explore existentialism, the nature of reality, the nature of existence, epistemology, the knowledge of this interpretation of this existence, metaphysics, mind and matter, mind